Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. My beautiful friends, you heard that gasp? That was my gasp for air because I have no internet. Hold the phone, my friends. I'm in the car. I'm turning on my hotspot. One second. Here we go. This is going to be a great video. All you beautiful people in the Patreon, growing a family. Check it out. Real-time buy and sell alerts. Leave the link in the description. Boom! We got some internet, my friends. We got some internet. And we're getting straight into the in-depth technical analysis. Alright, cool. Bitcoin currently holding above the $35,000 levels. Exactly what we want to see. Dogelon Mars is making nice support. Currently up 28.7% today. What a beautiful thing. Now, it's a great thing, right? 30%. It's a great thing. It looks crazy, right? It looks crazy. That's because we dropped a lot, all right? So we're going to see some major gains. And those of you who got in around these 5 levels, my beautiful friends, congratulations. That's a great, even the 6, 7 levels, I was averaging in around these 6 levels. And my beautiful friends, all of you in the Patreon got real-time buy and sell alerts on whenever this dropped in the support levels that we needed to watch for. This is what we need to watch for in the coming days. We have seen volume starting to thicken up a little bit here. The buyers are stepping in to push it higher. Exactly what we want to see. Tomorrow, we want to see this next candle move up and hold above this 910 level, okay? This next candle needs to break through this 910 and hold above this. That will be a very, very strong sign that these 6 levels are support levels. My beautiful friends, that's what we're looking at. And those of you who got in around these 5 levels, you'll be up 100% once we reach back up to the 10s. Now, if you have been averaging in this whole way down, it's a beautiful thing too, because we are not even started. This is not the move. This is just the dip, okay? And this is a great dip to start averaging in. Nothing is confirmed right now. Now, we still can go to the downside, continue to the downside if the overall market continues to dip under that $35,000 level. All right. Now, if we do start to dip, we need to watch these levels right there and these levels right here. These 3, 6 levels, my beautiful friends. That's what we want to watch. And yeah, so it's going to take some selling pressure to get down to here. It's going to take the market to dip a lot. And I don't know if we, quite frankly, have that in us right now. There's a lot of people getting scared out of the bags. Crypto fear and greed index is super, super low right now, under the 10s. And that means the sellers are just tapering down and the buyers are getting ready to start accumulating again before this next move higher. Crypto billionaire 69. We're off to a great start to 2022 with an amazing dip, okay? This is an amazing dip to start loading more bags if you have not already. And my friends, we are heading to Mars, my beautiful friends. I want to do this 1 second. When in doubt, zoom out, all right? I'm zooming out. I'll keep that there. 1 month candles, okay? This is what we're looking at. Now, if you grab this is one huge candle, okay? We're going to spike more than this whenever we decide to spike higher. Once Bitcoin starts to move higher, Dogelon Mars will as well. Now, we came down, touched these 7, 8, 6 levels, and we're showing strong support. Now, on the monthly candles, the best thing we can do is to close above these 931 levels, these 10 levels, and even above these 11 levels. That would be a very, very healthy sign that we are showing strong signs of buying pressures. The buyers are stepping in, not allowing it to go below these 0.786 levels on the Fibonacci retracement tool. All right, my beautiful friend, Crypto Billionaire 69. Check out the Patreon, real-time buy and sell alerts. And once we start spiking, I will help you guys average out in the best ways possible, because that's going to be the most important thing. We are in accumulation phase. It doesn't matter if you bought at the top or if you bought at the 5 levels, okay? We're still going to make money in the coming months because we're going to break these all-time highs and move extremely to the upside. My beautiful friends, it's a great time to start averaging in if you have not already. I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.